our ubogede is done. Woo, come and see it. Steam. What to do when you have your plantain like this and it's so old and it's dark and it's squishy soft? You can fry it. What are we going to do with it? Are we going to throw it away? Not in this kitchen. Okay, AKA plantain pudding. Are you ready? Let's go. What we need for this, guys, oh my goodness, you can't believe this cannot be bought in Amazon. It used to take a lot of labor to get this flour like this, but we're good to go now. Plantain flour, green plantain flour form. So if you don't have this, you could actually use this, okay? But it's banana leaves. This is the way I bought it in the store, like this, in there. Bought it this way. This is how long, you know. I got about, I think there were about 6 of these inside. I bought this in an African store. I've actually bought it once in, what is it called? In Walmart. I was surprised. Because it's not just Africans that use it, also I think some Hispanic country uses it to wrap their tamale or all those type of things. But you see, as you can see, it's very filthy. When you buy it, you give it a good wash. A very good wash, okay? I actually use soap and brush it very well out. Because you don't know where it's been. So give it a very good wash. I rinse it out, and then what I did, use in the pot, so it's easier to use. So this is the way I'm going to use it, and also to wash it more. I just put it inside a boiling pot of water and remove it immediately, so I can use it. So that's the soap. Okay. I'm going to cut off the banana. As I said, also have, this is so easy to peel because it's so soft. Okay, this is not in what state. Look, you see? See how soft? Yeah, that's the best way. That's exactly how I need it to be. Because I need it to be so soft that I can cut it down. I can break it down with my fork. I don't have to do much with it. Okay? That's the way I need it to be, really, really soft. Big fork. That's supposed to. This is what I'm used to. Put it down. So I'm gonna get it into a little, so it's almost like applesauce. The consistency of applesauce. You see how soft it is. So we'll get back when I got all of them washed down, because it's gonna be a long walk. I see you guys. So I'm gonna add this pepper. I've already de-seeded it, so it's just the skin just for the aroma. So I'm gonna. So now this is the plantain. I actually had to run it through a blender because some of them were not soft enough. I needed it to be really mushy soft. That's okay, you know. So I blended it together with the pepper I showed you guys a little bit earlier. So everything is well mixed. So right now, all we have here is this, the unripe plantain here, the overripe plantain. So now we're going to use the powdered one. Please cut it open. Actually, I think it has one a place you can open it here. So perfect. I don't even need to use the scissors on it. So this is how it looks. Let me show you guys how it looks. The powdered unripe plantain, the green plantain in powder form, so soft and smooth. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'll just put all I need here before I start putting it. So this will determine how strong I want the upogere to be. So first of all, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. A little bit of seasoned salt. Good seafood, you can mix it together. Good beans. kidney beans in it. You can customize it the way you like. There's no way you can cook this without it. Is palm oil. So I have here about half a cup of palm oil. This is for the taste and also for the beauty, for the color. But you cannot cook bogede. I've never seen it done without palm oil. So put palm oil in it. Okay. A better palm oil is always the best. Use the best quality of palm oil that you can get in the market. Now mix it together. As you can see, it's like easy breezy. You know, the only work here actually is prepping the leaves to use to tie it. I'll be honest with you, that's not easy. And then that's it, wrapping it. So now I'm gonna start adding the powdered one. So the thing is, it's so user friendly doing this soup bogede, because if it gets so thick that you feel that might be too thick for you, just add a little bit of water. Or you can actually add stock. You know, you can add stock. If you have stock at home, use your stock. Chicken stock, meat stock, seafood stock, whatever. But this, you want to make it pure vegan, this is it. Just add a little bit of water. So I'm adding more powder because it's still very soft. Just add it and mix it together. So right now it's just plantain that is here. So this is not just that it's vegan, it's also gluten-free. You know, because everything here is just plantain, ripe and unripe. We're mixing it together to make it into a pudding. I'll mix it to the consistency that I like, I'm comfortable. Some people like ubogede to be. Everybody got their taste. Some people like it very, very soft. You know, the important thing is that it doesn't fall apart while it's cooking. And it's not too hard that it's like a stone. Then you make up your mind how you want it. Okay? This right now is almost a little bit thicker than I would say pancake batter. So, or actually cake. Perfect. That's the way I would call it. This consistency is that of like a cake batter. Look at it. You see it? This is the way I want it this way. I don't want it too strong and I don't want it too soft. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to have to taste it to see if I like the way it tastes with the salt and everything. It's quite good. There's not a lot of pepper, which is okay because I have a lot of children here. I'm just going to add a little more salt, just a tiny bit. Perfect. No mass. Don't touch it no more. So you turn it together, stir it, make sure everything is well mixed. Right now we are ready to go. The next item on the agenda is to wrap it up. So I'll get back to you guys and we'll start wrapping. See you guys soon. It's happening. So you can let it rest for about 5 minutes and then you start tying it, just for you to rehydrate, because the other plantain, you know, it's very hard. It's been dried for a while. So mixing it together and let it rehydrate, but nothing is going to happen. It's not, because it doesn't have any gluten in it, so nothing will change. So let's go. This is a banana leaves that I've washed and put in the boiling water to cook it more, to just remove any type of germs that's left from washing it. So it's ready to go. It's clean as can be. But because it's still a little bit sensitive because it's been in the freezer for a long time, I'm going to just give it a little bit of support with aluminum foil. Naturally, I will not use aluminum foil in this process, but because just to make sure it doesn't fall apart, it's been in the freezer for a long, you know, we don't have any access to fresh banana leaves here, you know, so we're going to use what we can. I just want this ubogede to cook inside the plantain leaf. That's the most important thing. You can also put it inside a ramekin. I'm going to give you an example. I don't have a ramekin here. This is a ramekin, okay, that you can buy in any baking store, okay. We're going to just open. It's just if I tear it apart, it might just fall apart. So I use this and put it inside ramekin this way. This way. Just use it to line it up. Okay, like this. And I'll just see this way. And I'll just put the upogede on top. Okay, that's possible. But I don't have ramekin today. That's not a ramekin. I just use this as an example. So now, let's go. I'm using the foil paper now to just help me fortify it. So, in the essence, actually, if we had a fresh banana leaf, we're going to cook and make. You see how I'm doing it, guys? Into two. Fold it this way. 1, 2, 3. Fold it this way too. 1, 2, 3. I just want to make sure it's well folded. It's not going to open up while cooking. So good. You see the way I've done it? I've actually made like a cup out from the foil paper. So I open it up. You put your finger to sense where the banana leaf is, and you open it in the middle so that the upogede will be only inside the banana leaf. So you see inside. So it's here. I've made a very comfortable sitting for the upogede. So now here we go. We're directly inside it. So this is another method that we can use. As I said, it's a bit messy. It's like when you're making cake, right? It's like cake batter. It's okay, it's no problem. So now I folded this way. So this is, the foil is outside and the banana leaf is inside. So the upogede does not touch, the batter does not touch the foil at all. Okay? Because actually the batter gets its absolute yummy taste from the banana leaves. I found another idea while I was wrapping it. I'm like, how you make sure you have the batter right only on the banana leaf. So I'm using this to put in the middle, or you can use a spoon. Put in the middle so that you don't lose the middle, okay? Okay, so put in the middle and then I wrap it around it. You see what I did? You see what I did, guys? I put it in the middle. So there's no way I will lose that middle, because that thing is in the middle to keep it separated. Take it off. Guess what I have here? Perfect! I just had to come up with invention. Okay, so this is it. So I keep on doing what I'm doing. I just have to show you guys what I just discovered. I was just like, how am I going to... Perfect. Clean this off. So, you see, this is at the back. So, I just put this together. Fold it together. This is the same way we do akuku igbodo if I was to use it. But we don't have it here in the US. So, this is what I'm doing. Perfect. So, guys, the water is already boiling. It's waiting for me. See, I put the plantain, the rest, you will not believe what I did. The plantain peels, instead of throwing it away, I put it in here. You see the plantain peel, you see it? I put it in there and I put the leaves on top of it to cushion it so that it only takes the steam. I don't want it to touch the water. It's just only going to cook by steam. So I'm putting on top. Okay, top. Last not the least, on top. Perfect. Now seal it up with the banana leaves. Cover it to keep the heat inside, and then use a very tight lid on it, and then cook it on medium high. And while you're doing it, keep hot water on the other side. So if it ever needs any water in between, you can just add boiling water at the side. Okay, not cold water. So it's going to keep on cooking, I would say between 15 and 20 minutes, and we're ready to eat. How fast can that be? African cuisine. Yes, unadulterated. Yes, guys. And especially now is Vegan. So see you guys soon. Burger is done. Woo, come and see. Steam. So I'm gonna let it rest for a few minutes because look at it. Burger is ready. I'm unraveling it. See, well pushing in the banana leaves, right? That's what I said. So now, perfect. Now, so you guys can this inside. It's still very hot. Still very hot. I just want to give it a taste. Oh my goodness. Chill glass of coconut water, what will you call it? Pineapple juice. Perfect. Just pair this with this yummy pineapple juice. I feel the peace at the back. It's very delicious. And the taste, even the banana leaves, everything. It's amazing. Oh my goodness. So good. So we use this overripe bananas, plantain, plantain, and unripe powder of the plantain. That's what we used. And palm oil, and just season it as you like, and you're good to go. So, get it. Absolutely delicious. I'm using the big fork. Hey, have fun, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. Juice is back.